Okay, the third C we have is creativity. Stephane, if you could respond to this question, where do you use creativity skills as a software engineer?
Yeah, creativity is used a lot in our field because our job, usually people just talk to us face to face. Somebody will come to you, is like, I want my system to do this and that. I want the graphics to look like this. I want this button to be here. So people are talking to you verbally, and then you need to write that down and then translate that into like a design. So you're using your creative mind. Like if I was in this person's shoe, what would I be imagining? Draw that out, and then we start programming it, doing it in our graphics, and then we show them. Usually the first time they're like, that's not what I said. So it's a back and forth. Do you want it like this? Do you want it like that? What color do you want this? What do you want this to do? So you just have to be creative, and everybody's different. So one customer might want something like this, but then the other one wants a complete opposite, but they're sort of using the same word to describe it. So the other thing is English is a very vague language, so people can use the same word to like mean two different things. So you have to be very careful and just be creative and be patient and try to put yourself on other people's shoes and just imagine and then put it down to paper, show it to them, rinse and repeat. And yeah,